Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to improve your stealthy playstyle in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, use suppress weapons. Equip weapons with suppressor to stay off enemy radars and minimize noise. Move slowly and crouch. Avoid sprinting to reduce noise and stay crouched to maintain a lower profile. Stay out of sight. Use natural cover like bushes, trees, or buildings to avoid direct line of sight from enemies. Avoid firing unnecessarily. Engage only when necessary to avoid giving away your position. Use dead silence. Equip dead silence as a field upgrade to move silently for a limited time. Monitor footstep sounds. Pay attention to your own footsteps and adjust your movement accordingly. Use cold-blooded perk. Equip cold-blooded to avoid thermal detection and stay hidden from enemy equipment. Choose stealthy operators. Use operators with stealth-related perks or outfits that blend well with the environment. Utilize the gas mask. Equip and use the gas mask to move silently through gas-filled areas and avoid detection. Employ Ghost perk. Use Ghost to remain hidden from enemy UAVs, radar drones, and heartbeat sensors. Avoid jumping. Jumping creates noise and make you an easier target. Avoid unnecessary jumps. Use tactical equipment wisely. Deploy tactical equipment like smoke grenades or flashbangs to distract enemies from cover your movements. Communicate quietly. Use voice chat sparingly and keep communication short and quiet to avoid alerting nearby enemies. Practice patience. Wait for enemy to move past before engaging to avoid drawing attention. And that's how to improve your stealthy playstyle in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.